Hi everyone, it's Andrew Wallis here from Andrew Wallis Consulting and Fitness Marketing Blueprints. And in this series of videos, my goal is to give you an outline of the steps you need to take in order to reopen your gym or studio now that you've been given the green light to do so from the government. I call this series a Project Restart. If you're watching on YouTube, please be sure to hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss out on any future videos. As with the rest in this series, this video has been recorded quickly. We're a week out from being allowed to reopen your facility, so my goal is to get these tips out to you as quickly as I can so that you can get them implemented as quickly as possible. Now, as you inch closer to reopening, it's the perfect time to get your staff back as well as thinking creatively about how to get your community fired up again. If you're like many of the guys I work with, you've probably lent or rented out some of your equipment to clients during lockdown. If this is the case, I recommend reaching out to those clients and request that they return the equipment as soon as possible this week. That then gives you time to clean and sterilise it before you reopen. Rather than having to hang around your facility all day, I suggest outlining to your clients a time that you'll be around at the studio so they can leave borrowed kettlebells, resistance bands, mats, skipping ropes, blocks, etc. at your front door or desk. Now, for those of you with staff, I've no doubt that you've likely kept in touch with them throughout your closure. Perhaps that was via text, email, even virtual meetings. Now's the time to connect with them. Get together, plan your schedule, outline what your new normal looks like as a team. Go over any scheduling or pricing changes you might have made, reworks to your staff handbook, along with revised cleaning procedures as well. Also, it goes without saying that if they feel sick at all, they need to stay home. So it wouldn't hurt to remind them of that fact. Okay, so far we've covered getting your equipment back and getting your team updated. Next up, let's turn our attention to engaging with your clients. Don't wait to send an email announcement a day or so before you reopen. Give your clients something to look forward to and the chance to plan their schedules accordingly. So I suggest sending it before Wednesday this week. In this email, you can mention the exact date you reopen, if and how you're modifying your schedule in any way, any updates to your pricing, if and how you'll continue to provide virtual workouts, and details of any welcome back promotions you're offering. One idea might be to kickstart your reopening by running a 14-day or 30-day challenge. I love offering challenges 2 to 3 times a year anyway, but now gives us the perfect opportunity, as I'm sure a number of your clients will need that extra shot of motivation to get back into their exercise routines. If you offer this as a referral-based challenge around your reopening, you could get the added benefit of clients spreading the word about your services. Now, it doesn't have to be competitive or focused on any specific goal. It just needs to encourage your clients to jump back in where they'd left off. I'd even go the extra mile when connecting with clients by phoning them, particularly those of your clients who were active before lockdown, to check in with them and tell them about your safety measures, those that you've got in place for reopening, and that you're looking forward to welcoming them back. Okay, that's it for today. So I hope this video has helped in some way. Perhaps it's maybe answered a few questions that you had about the steps on how to reopen your business, or given you a new idea or two. If it has, please be sure to hit that like and share button and let me know what your biggest takeaway was. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.